Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what you still control. This speeds recovery. Gather your Xbox Live email, gamertag, and any linked phone or alternate email now. Make sure you have purchase receipts or billing zip code ready since Microsoft may ask for proof. Sign-in attempts should come from a device you used before. Once done, open account. Microsoft. Calm and choose sign-in options. You'll use the recovery workflow there. Move quickly and keep verification tools at hand to avoid delays. You now run the detailed recovery form. This is the complex middle step. Choose the option that matches your issue, forgotten password versus compromised account, because the questions differ. Enter every previous password you remember and the billing info tied to purchases. Microsoft uses multiple data points to verify identity. Once you submit, pick an email or phone to receive codes and check spam folders immediately. If you get a security code, use it within the time limit. Otherwise, repeat with more supporting details. You finish by reclaiming access and locking the account down. Reset the password to a strong, unique phrase, then enable two-step verification so future breaches are harder. Update recovery email and phone and review recent purchases and authorized devices. Remove anything unfamiliar. If the recovery form fails, escalate to Microsoft support. Have receipts, billing zip, and your console serial ready. That evidence can tip the decision. Troubleshooting tip. If codes never arrive, try a different verification method or wait.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.